The established facts so far on the factual menu, because what did we see so far? That according to both PNP and AFP, well, especially PNP South, the involvement of the U.S. has been limited to intelligence sharing and also the medical help. And even if there is information that there was presence of several personnel in the command post, per se, I don't see any transgression. Kasi sa constitution mo natin, ang parameters are the following. No, ang bawal ay yung establishment ng military bases without the concurrence of the Senate. Bawal din yung nuclear weapons. There's ban on the presence of nuclear weapons within Philippine soil. And also, of course, there is the general principle of non-intervention in the affairs of the state as a sovereign state, because we are a sovereign state. Now, as I said, dun sa extent ng US involvement na lumabas na alam natin, ay wala akong nakikitang paglaban. Ang view ko dyan is that, well, of course, we all know that we're all engaged in the global war against terrorism. And therefore, the cooperation between and among sovereign states is key, is very crucial in terms of combating terrorism. Now, lalo na tayo we need all the help that we can in terms of confronting and in terms of neutralizing threats coming from terrorist groups, lalo na in that part of our country, yung mga largely unguarded coastal frontiers natin in the south. Now, for as long as Philippine government retains absolute control as to a specific operation, as to the what, who, when, how, chance operations, there's no trust.